Hi everyone, I have another journal to show you, so let's get on with it. So this one is another hardback bound journal. There is a pattern on the front. It's a light green teal background with dark green color to show off the relief. So, oh, the sun is coming out. I hope the lighting isn't bad. We have ridges on the spine and the back. So this journal has over 200 pages. So let's get into it and see the inside. The closure is again old linen that I dyed. So the theme of this journal is Jane Austen, and the ephemera I used in this is in my digital kit. The link below is to my Etsy store and the kit. So we have some pages from old books, and in the front pocket. These little images are not in the digital kit. They are from the internet and I found some. I have some tags with quotes from Jane Austen. Every signature is divided with lace, and the lace is sewn onto the pages, so you have a little tuck spot. The first one is a big pocket. Inside is a letter by Jane Austen. You can open it up and journal on the back. Here is a portrait of Jane Austen. All the pages inside the journal are tea dyed or coffee dyed. There are some blank pages, line pages, old book pages. On the top there are a few bookmarks, just paper clips with a little fabric on the top, and they have ephemera pieces stuck to them. So here's another quote tag from the digital kit. Some line papers. Here's a quote from Jane Austen. There you can see better. There's some really neat patterns when I dyed this paper. Some dictionary paper, some old music paper, some digital stamped images, some old book pages, here's another illustration from a Jane Austen book and a quote. Here's a title page of a book and a little charm with a butterfly and more lace. I left the tails on all the sewing I did in this book long. You can trim it, but just how you like it. You can either trim it or leave it long. Or music paper. Here's another quote. Another old book page. Here's a line page. Some pattern papers that I thought fit the theme. So lots and lots of places to journal. Stamping. Here's another ephemera piece from the kit, and a big pocket from a music page. Another quote tag, and the lace. Another ephemera piece with a bookmark, some stamping. Fold out. Another ephemera piece. You can, I didn't sew the ephemera pieces down, so you can remove them or move them wherever you like, or even leave them out of the book if you just want to journal. Another quote. Dictionary paper, old music paper, an article about the publication of Jane Austen's books, another book page, another stamp, a quote, some pattern papers. Here's another letter from Jane Austen. You can open it up and read it, and journal on the back. It's all tea dyed, and on most of the pieces I inked the edges, so it looks a little bit more distressed. Some old playing cards, old music paper, another book cover, another quote. Here's the abbey where Jane Austen lived, and here's a little charm with a hand. Another big pocket. This one is not included in the digital kit. Another quote and a book cover page or title page. Another little image. Another tag with a quote. All the signatures are bound with old vintage cotton thread. Another ephemera piece. I thought it quite fitting that it's a dancing scene, and I put it on the music paper. Book pages. Here's the house from Jane Austen where she lived with her family, and a digital stamp. It's a big pocket, so you can put a lot of ephemera in there. Here's another quote tag and another letter. Oh. Here's another portrait of Jane Austen. Another illustration from an old Jane Austen book. Another quote. An old playing card and another quote tag with another bookmark clip. Another article. This is the signature of Jane Austen. I thought I could have Oh my, can't speak today. I thought I'd put it there. So another dictionary page. Another illustration, and that's the back page. So this is the Jane Austen journal. I hope you liked it, and all the links are in the description below, and see you next time. Bye!